everybody, welcome back. My name is Sandra and we're going to do another makeup look. I'm going to start by prepping with my InnBeauty Project Extreme Cream. This isn't really a primer, but a lot of people have been using it as a primer, and while I still don't really feel completely confident going in with just this, I always use a primer on top. I don't know, it does help to moisturize. I feel like it makes my skin feel really good and really fresh, so I've still been using this. And I don't know if you can tell by my voice, but I'm still sick. I think it's been going on like 8 weeks now. I don't understand. Like, I got sick and then it kind of went away, and then I got sick and now it's just not going away. So yeah, it's been like my kids got better like 2 or 3 weeks ago, and I'm just like, not doing so good. I feel fine. It's just like my voice is scratchy and I've got like congestion in my chest. It's really weird. Okay. So I'm going to start by doing brows because like my brows absolutely drive me crazy. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to use my Anastasia Brow Whiz, I think. I have this brow pencil. I have my Urban Decay liquid brow, but I just haven't really, it's not that I don't love them. I do. I actually really enjoy both of those products, but I just never reach for it. It's not like, you know, your daily reaching thing that you reach for. So I'm just going to do this and I will be right back. Alright guys, so eyebrows, I'm not 100% happy with right now, but I don't really care at this point. I'm just going to leave them. I'm going to take some of my, oh, you know what, I forgot to prime. I'm going to take a little bit of my Blur Jam from Huda Beauty, just a tiny bit of product, put it on my skin, put a little bit on my nose, between my brows, my forehead, and my chin, just on my cheeks, and I'm just going to like blend it onto my face and then kind of pat it in. I'm using a tiny amount of product, not a whole lot here. I'm not really extending outward either because I'm just going to use bronzer to cover up the rest of my face. Okay, and then we're going to go in with the concealer. So this is Natasha Denona HY-Glam Concealer N6. That is the shade. And then I'm going to go in with my you know what? I'm not even going to use my, do I want to? I don't know. I usually do. I'm not going to use my contour stick today. I'm just going to go in with bronzer. So I think I'll use my Patrick Ta bronzer today. So if that's the case, I'm going to blend this out first with my concealer brush. Stick to the inner corner here, just where I've got, you know, kind of a darker circle. Blend it up a tiny bit, but I don't really need to come out too far. Usually when I use like a cream product, that's when I find that any place I put concealer other than underneath my eyes, it comes off. So the fact that I'm putting a powder on will cover up better. Okay. I'm just going to add a tiny bit of powder. I guess I'll use Huda Beauty. I'm not really used to using Huda Beauty, but we'll use it. This has such a smell. Like I am like, did not realize it was so, I wouldn't say stenchy. It's not stenchy. It's just, I didn't realize it smelled so strongly. Okay, so I'm going to go into the bronzer. So Patrick Ta, this is She Sculpted. My nose. And I'm quite tan today, so I'm going to bring it on the cheeks. A little bit on around the mouth. And then I've been noticing like my downfall here is I've been adding the bronzer where I think it needs to hit, but instead of blending it out, I just leave it in that spot, and then it like doesn't look very balanced. So I'm going to just blend it onto my entire face after I'm done adding it to the spots it normally hits. I think I'll add some kind of shimmer to the eye just to make the eye stand out a little bit. Just don't know what product I'm going to use yet, but I think I want to use something. Okay, so now that I've got the bronzer all over, I'm just going to use the same brush and blend down below on my jawline. So normally you wouldn't do this. Normally most people like, you know, contour with concealer and make your face look like, you know, really bright with concealer, but I don't want to do that. I'm kind of feeling the tanned look lately. I mean, this has been what, how many makeup looks? Yeah, my face is really tan, so I feel like I need to have lots of bronzer. My face doesn't tan as well as my rest of my body because of, for obvious reasons, like I don't tan my face as much. Blush, I'm going in with She's That Girl with Patrick Ta. This pretty color, it is so beautiful. The cream color is actually prettier, but I'm going to go in with the powder since I've already powdered my cheeks anyway. Okay, and I'm bringing up on my temples. Blush is always the first thing to fade, so I'm really going to like pack on the blush. A little bit on the nose. I feel like a rosy like lip color, something that matches my lips, but I don't want to go like, just want to kind of keep it fairly natural, but I will be doing some lashes today. A little bit on the, little bit on the nose and the brow. All right, next, I'm going to get my Too Faced Better Than Sex liner because I will be doing that. Let me look for a shimmery shadow. Okay, I think I'm feeling Makeup by Mario again. I don't know, I love this palette. I didn't think I was going to love it so much. It's dirty, but this is the Ethereal palette. And I'm going to go into, let's see here. I'm going to go into this shade right here. It's like a metallic shade, but I think if I use my finger, it's not going to come off so metallic. It'll come off more like sparkly. Okay, it's definitely looking more glass. It's giving more glass vibes than anything. But I'm not mad at that. So it was really easy. So now what I'm going to do is do a really thick line on the top lash line, pile on mascara. For mascara, I think I'm going to use my Panarama mascara by Loreal. I've been loving this. And then do lashes, and they'll come back and assess the situation and do lips. Okay guys, so I'm just waiting for my lashes to dry, and I'm just wondering, do I want to go ahead and do like pink lipstick or something? I don't think I have done pink lipstick. And I'm pretty sure I have like a MAC lipstick that's like bright pink. So I'm kind of, oh yeah, this is like really bright though. Whew. I'm going to be really pretty. This is called Breathing Fire 641. I don't know if I'm ready to like go that bright. Let's see. It'd be really pretty though. I'm gonna try it just for fun. Okay, so I've got that. I mean, I can always tone it down with a gloss. And then I've got lots of lip liners here. I'll use a natural colored lip liner, I think. And then I can like tone it down with a gloss. Okay, so I'm just going to take a little bit of this lipstick and trace the line. That is really bright. Just gonna see what else I have to tone that down a bit. Okay, I don't know if this is gonna tone it down, but I've got this Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip, and this is the shade Hibiscus. So I'm just gonna check it out. That's really, really pretty. Okay, I think I'm going to do that. I'm going to go do lashes. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I think the lashes are on. Decided not to go too dramatic this time. I just wanted something that was a little bit poppy, but not like so crazy. I really like the pink lipstick. I'm kind of driving with it right now. It's really pretty. So I'm just going to make sure these lashes are sticking. We're going to do a little bit of highlight. I'll go in with my Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Glow Glide Face Architect highlighter in Champagne Glow. I do have to get going here right away, so it's a perfect time. I'm going to add a little bit to my nose, bridge, cheeks, chin, between the brows, and then we'll add a little bit on the inner corners with a brush. Okay, and we'll also add a little bit underneath the apex of the brow here. And I think that's it. So I'm going to go in with my setting spray. I usually use, well, I've been off and on with Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush and my Urban Decay, but we'll go back to the Airbrush setting spray. Okay, and that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching this look. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give the video a thumbs up. If you are new, please subscribe, click on the bell button, and I will see you guys in the next one. Mwah. Bye. Bye.